guys, knife detector here. What I've got for you today is the Victorinox 111 millimeter Forester model. And this one has something called an M grip, I believe. And it is a grippy guy right here. And so much so that when I tried to put it in my EDC, that it really didn't want to come out. It just wanted to stay in there because it has these rubber inserts in there that kind of add another element to gripping this knife that work really, really well. First of all, if you were to buy this on Amazon brand new, it would run you between $45 and $55 brand new. I'm actually going to put this one up for sale, and it's going to be for sale for $35 on my eBay site and plus shipping. So all in, probably around 40 bucks. And let's go over this used knife because it is used, and I love this knife. But I've been buying too many Victorinox knives as of late, as you know by my videos. I've done so many videos on Victorinox knives, and I'm going to have to let this one go. It's just not right that I have all of these Victorinox knives, and I'm keeping them to myself. So I'm going to let this go at a very reasonable price. So let's check it out. As I told you, these rubber sections here make for a very grippy knife. One of the things you're going to notice is that this does not have the toothpick and pliers. Doesn't have it. The saw works really well. In fact, I used it in one of my other videos when I made a handle for a knife blank that I had, and it still has some wood in there. So, yeah, I don't know if I'm going to be able to get that out of those teeth, but there's some wood in there, and it cuts really well. But let's close some of these blades. You got the saw. Works super good. I just accidentally closed a corkscrew as well, but it has a corkscrew. And then it has the small flathead can opener right there. It's got a little bit of a sharp edge on that can opener. No snap there. It's got an awl, not the kind with the hole. Snap. This is the main blade, and it's one of those one-hand open type of deals, right? You can open this with one hand. Let me demonstrate that. First, let me demonstrate how to close it. To close it, you actually have to push in either from the left or using your right hand, push in towards the right like that. Or you can use from the left from your left hand. So, very easy. That hole is just perfectly placed right there and easy to open. But I think as an extra precaution, they make it so you kind of have to use two hands to close it. And they're all made this way. But you know this Victorinox knife, if you're into these knives. That is a wonderful blade. It's got that serrated edge. It'll cut through most anything you need it to. It's got that flat edge right there. It's a wonderful tool to have. Makes a fantastic rescue knife and a great partner on the campground. It really does. I'm going to be sorry to see this one go, but I have too many that do the same job and are basically the same knife, okay? So we're going to close that. The other thing I love about this knife also, or this style of knives, is the oversized flathead screwdriver and wire stripper. This is larger than your typical smaller 84 millimeter Victorinox knives. But this also has a liner lock. Just like the knife, you have to push it in order to close it. And it has a half stop in case you want to use it like that too. So we're going to close that. So there it is, guys. This is the Victorinox Forester. It's a good-looking knife. It is a very useful tool, and it's for sale on my eBay site, and I only got one, so check it out. It might be gone by the time you check it, but it may not if you're interested, and you could get it cheaper than you would in other places. So until then, this is Knife Detector. Stay safe and stay sharp, my friends.